Hello everybody, Defense here, and welcome back to another episode on the Quadcraft Feed the Beast modded server. We're starting off by swinging over to Chubb's base to put some octadate capacitors in these bits, and I hit a lag spike. Yeah, we're gonna put these in here because they spawn really slow, and if the rest of us want to use it, we kind of just gotta wait forever. So I'm just gonna doop. So yeah, when you turn it on, everything will spawn, and everything will go nuts. Not really nuts, but everything will spawn, and we'll get all that shit done. I gotta get out of here without, there we go, without landing on those and getting shot into the spikes. What is that? Oh, that's liquid emerald. From our stream, last week? The stream before this past stream. Yeah. 2 Thursdays ago. That's the way I'm trying to think of it. But, yeah, we're gonna swing back down into here. So I've extended the hallway, added a bit. I don't know what I'm going to put in like this slot, but everything else is designed. There's going to be another room here. We're not working in that one today. We're actually going to be working in the one next to this one. And I want to dump off the octadate capacitors. Our plan for this one, we're going to do a couple more immersive engineering machines and some forestry machines, because I think it's about time we finally do this forestry stuff. I've been wanting to do it, but, you know, it's kind of confusing to me. So, I had to work with it a bit, figure out what was going on. And, yeah, we're just going to put a bunch of different machines in here. So, I think we'll do some of the immersive engineering machines here. And then, I thought we'd change it up and not keep, like, a flat room. And we'll just kind of come down here and go this way. And I'll put stuff down there. Like, I'm just gonna put, like, any machine I think I need, I'm gonna put in here, you know? So, we'll just kind of mess with that. We'll figure it out. Every platform is just like a boop, 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 boop thing. Which I can't do because now I can't go this way. We're gonna change this up. And we're gonna go out to here, and then chop, 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 chop. There we go. I want to be able to get under the scaffolding. So, little jumpy, sorry about that. Yeah, that should work fine, and then we go breaky, back to stairs, boom, and then your head pretty much just fits right underneath. Not really how I wanted it, but that's how we're gonna have to deal with it. What if I just go boom, boom? Yeah, give you a little bit more space. And then, whoop. Oh, I hooked myself on here. Yeah, I'm not really worried about the downstairs right now. We're not going to be working in there today as far as I can think. So, I think. Maybe. I don't think we'll be working down there. Let's put that block there. We're going to work up here, though. 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, good. I have a thought in my head on the design for this room, so we're just going to kind of get going with it. We can move that out, we can move that in. I gotta get more painted glowstone, so I gotta set up a Ender IO painting room. I think the ceiling's at that height, maybe? It might be one lower, so. It just depends on how high these machines are, because I haven't built any of them yet, so I don't know how high any of them are supposed to be. And because it's gonna be like scaffolding, what my initial plan was... Actually, no, I'm going with my initial plan. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. My initial plan, as I was just saying, was to have this just like a floaty bit in the middle here, and all the machines down below, and I want it to extend farther that way than the other rooms, because this is gonna be like a miscellaneous, I don't want to say miscellaneous, but it's gonna be like a multi-machine room. It's not just gonna be one machine and here you go kind of thing. So actually, I think this will work. Boom. But let me know what you guys think on that, obviously, because I don't know 100% what I will be putting in here. Let's raise those all up 1. And then I need, see, I had just enough. Which is kind of bad, because I think I need a lot more. So, boom. Yeah, we'll put the ceiling across there, though, because this will be like a floating path. That works. Yeah, I needed one more. Damn it. See, I knew I needed one more. Just one more. That's all I needed. But yeah, I think that'll work. You'll come in You know, you'll just see straight over this side all the machines down here. And that also means I might be able to extend these a little farther back, per se, because the floors don't go very deep. But let me dig all this out. I'm not going to have you guys hang around for that. I'm going to dig this out, decide which machines we're going to work on specifically. I have a list of machines I want to put in here, but we're going to figure out what machines I currently need, and we'll go from there. I will be right back. Okay guys, welcome back. Yet again, I built a room and forgot that I have to put big machines in it. Same thing that happened with the entrance to this whole place, which is fine. You know, it happens. It happens. It happens a little more than it should, but it happens. So we're going to start off by putting in a couple of metal presses, and they're pretty simple to make, so let's get started. Boom. We're going to go boom, 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 and boom, boom. I'm going to manually input everything. I kind of don't know if I want one here. I put, like, supports because I thought it would look nice. It looks good here, I think, but here is kind of... It looks nice, but it's a little in the way. I might move them forward one or back one. I liked having them offset because, like, over here, I think it looks pretty cool with it offset. But obviously I got more space there than I do here, so I can't really 100% judge that. I need just a random block. Damn it. Why can't pistons just work for me? Just so much work to place them. You gotta go like that, and then you gotta do that, and then all that stupid stuff. Whatevs. Boom, boom. And then boom, and boom. I'm considering making 6 of these, as I said. 3 on this side, 3 on the other side. But I don't know. I don't know if I need that many. I'm going to be using them obviously for a few different things. This is going to go that way. And then this is going to go that way. And then I just need to put the heavy engineering blocks on, but I want to grab and fix these. Boom. Then break that so we don't have an issue like we had with the diesel generator where it couldn't get to work because I put extra blocks on it. So, I don't have my hammer. Of course I don't have my hammer. Hammer! There we go. Hammer, hammer. Hammer time. Alright, so we go boom, ha boom, and ha boom. And then we need blocks here. And then where's my conveyor belt? Conveyor belt. I don't know if they had the arrows before, but the arrows are really helpful. Yeah, there we go. So everything's going to go through the presses. I got to put in things to get them working, but... And they need power. I forgot about that. So I can probably do... I think I might ditch the stairs and put like a power bank or something in here. But I don't know. And do I want to use like the Ender IO stuff? Because I think that'll look pretty cool. Does this have to be... HE or something else? If I can, I want to use the HE. RF Tools manual. I did not know I had that manual. Alright, so we're going to use HV wire connector as I'm trying to move the thing I'm using. And we're going to go bloop, bloop, bloop. And I want it to connect to... Alright, we're going to get rid of these, yeah. We don't need the supports over here. Now that I've noticed I have to wire everything in, we're just going to kind of do this and get rid of all of these. Boom, boom. It does make the room look more open, which is nice. I have to replace that slab, but I'll do it later. That'll give us access to that. So what we can do... Let's grab that piece. Do I have any capacitors? No. We're going to grab some connectors. We're going to put those there. We're going to grab some HV cable. We can put that right there. We might as well grab some... we might use powered lanterns. I don't know yet. What do I still need? I still need... So you got that, I got that, I got that. I need capacitors. That's what I need. There we go. HV, HV, HV. These are all HV capacitors, so we can grab a couple of those. They're really just going to be for show. I think I'm just going to pull power straight in from something else. Then I need my hammer. Turn all the other sides off. Yep. Right, those are all good, those are all good. So I want to do... Damn. I know what I want to do. I want to move these out one. So to do that, I'm going to use... Oh, actually, what if I use these? This here. I'm going to put it... That's not what I want. Place it the other way. Maybe I gotta do that. And place it like that. See, that one worked. Why didn't it work that way over there? Come on. There we go. We'll just do it like that. Because then I can just put these, where'd they go? Like that. And they just kind of hang there. I think that looks nice. So let's switch that. Boom. Wrong. Boom. Alright, so that actually I think does look really cool. And then I'm gonna make the whole place look terrible by messing everything up and forgetting that I can't do it that way. Damn it. Let's come out of because I need to send it out of here via a connector, and then that needs to go to an HV relay and then to these. I don't know. Let's just do... I can't do both. It's only in or out. That's stupid. I think I might move them to the middle. Yeah, let's move them to the middle. We'll see how that looks. Ditch that. Bring that down. Go boom, boom. Because that way we can get the space required to do this. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Same thing every time I bust out Immersive Engineering. I'm like, I have a plan. Plan fails. So, we need to have a connector out one side or the other. And then the connector needs to obviously connect to something. And what if we go and we put another slab right there, and then this guy right there, and we'll throw a relay on it. I don't know. That's the only downside, is the Immersive Engineering is kind of messy. But hey, I think that looks fine. That works. The only real problem is I gotta actually get power over to this. But see, oh, that's why I was gonna say it's not actually sending power out. Let me break this quickly because I have to change that. I didn't really have, well, I didn't have to break it, I just didn't know what it was set to. Boom, these are all full. And it only used 0.1 MF. So, that means I can do the same over here. I won't do this side on camera with you guys, but yeah, this whole side's going to get repeated like that. Everything's going to branch around back. I'm going to do probably a better power system somehow, because I need to be able to get power over to these units. I just don't know how I'm going to do it. I might end up switching these into the wall behind and have the power come this way. But right now, as of right now, this is how I'm going to do it. I might even just raise these up. Yeah, we can actually do... Let's give that a try. Well, we're not going to give it a try, but I want to do like that on this side. And then, yeah, these can go like on that. And then they're not hanging down so low. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Let me play around with it. We'll do that. You know, we'll do that at some point. But I want to finish getting some work done on this. So let's go along here. We've got all those built. And then it's going to come along here. Where is my blocks? It's gonna come this way, this way, this way. And then... Let's put some, let's see, chests. We'll use dark oak chests, because why not? Boom, boom. I'm just gonna go dark oak, dark oak. And then, I need this. It's gonna come along like this. I know I can just use the Ender IO stuff, but it's an immersive engineering room, and Ender IO is pissing me off. That's pretty much the whole thing. Right, boom, boom, boom. And then I need a hopper, a regular hopper. Forgot I have those autocraft. I'll switch those, switch that. Boom. And then I have a hoppery doodad right here. I'm gonna put it like that, so that way it... Does it pick it up? Let me check. Let me check. No, it just sits there. I was kind of hoping it would just pick it up, but it does not. So, because like I don't want it to get like overflowed, and it just kind of runs off the edge. So let's do that. We're gonna do... Just gonna kind of spam it a bit, but try not to stack them. Yeah, that'll be fine. And if they overflow, they overflow. So, we got that, we got that. We gotta make patterns for these. So let's grab the book, we'll look at some patterns. Boom. Metal press, over 1, over 2. But yeah, we have like a bunch of different stuff. It's really just kind of like, eh. I'm gonna do the sheets. I want to do the wires. We need gears. What's this? Rods, casings. You know, let's just do all of them. Fuck it. To the crafty room. Away! I know, I made stairs. I'm not even gonna use them. I've made sure to use them a couple of times just because like I put the stairs there. I gotta do something with them, you know. Wrong monitor. I still can't get these things to work correctly. They'll do certain things, but they won't do everything. And you know why? This whole thing is being built in relation to this mod here. It's crazy. It's crazy. Let's see. Do they have the plates listed in here? Yes, they do. Let's see, let's make one of those. I don't have a gear. And to make a gear, I need to cast a gear. Gears are the main reason we're doing this, so we're going to have to go and mess with that. We'll just grab that quickly. And then... I will do bullet casings. I might make a gun eventually. I don't have the bullet thingy. Alright, we'll just do it with wire then. Alright, so I've got these. I really don't need 6 machines now that I think of it. It's only 2, 3, 4, 5 casings. So we'll just have one machine that just does metal plates. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, there's already one that does metal plates. Boom. Boom. And boom. Now if I take... Probably should have grabbed some. Let's just grab some iron. It's gotta be... What? Am I doing this wrong? Let me grab... I think it's got... Oh. I think it's gotta be plates. Just grab an iron plate. What am I doing wrong? Metal press. The metal press is an automated way of shaping metal. It uses a high pressure piston to press a mold onto an ingot, forming it into a plate, rod, or other metal components. The structure is created. Blah, 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 blah. Power is input through the top. The items through the conveyors, obviously in the direction of movement. The lower block is the redstone controller. Right-clicking it with an engineer's hammers allows you to invert the controls. Blah blah blah. The metal press requires a mold to be attached to the piston. Molds are created as shown above. Insert the metal press by right-clicking. Alright, so I'm supposed to just... Oh. You literally gotta... I don't know if I'm gonna be doing that. Which means... It is weird though, why doesn't it... Doesn't work there though. Yeah, you just walk up and press Q, but the Q doesn't work over here. Oh, because you can't make iron. Never mind, never mind. That's understandable entirely right there. But yeah, then everything flows down over here, and then it gets picked up. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, yeah. Alright, so we can actually automate this if you grab... I didn't grab one, because why would I? Hopper. I'm pretty sure you can automate it. No? Maybe it's because it's being powered. Let's do... Let's do it like that. Yeah, alright, so you can input it from the front. And it'll just keep going. So, how many did I put in there? I don't want that many in there. Alright, so, it's gonna obviously look messier now, but now we can just, boom. We can automate this a bit. Let's see, how we doing on... Oh, we're still doing fine on power. I think I might just fill these up, and when they run low, I'll just change them out from over there. It's not like it's too much of a problem. Damn. Alright, well, I guess, I guess these machines are all done. It doesn't look the best, obviously, because we've got these ugly-looking hoppers. So, what we can do is, I don't know if you could paint hoppers. If we can paint hoppers, I'm going to paint them invisible. I'll know they're there, obviously, so I can input into them, but I'm going to make them invisible so that we don't have to worry about that. And then, boom. I'm going to put more machines right over here. And yeah, right there. So we got all the machines in. We just gotta do our fiddly bits down the back. I might change these all out to scaffolding. I don't know how I feel about the block. You know what? Why would I just say that when I can just bloop bloop? Because it feels more like it's supposed to be there with the scaffolding, you know? Because this looks nice. It gives it like a nice border. But like this, actually, this is gonna be a wall anyway, so I don't know, I think it'll look fine like that. I think it'll look fine. And then we can just come along like that. And because why not? And I can make a bunch of these. Meh. Meh, no. Nope, nope, nope. Nah, we're not going to do that. Yeah, so this here is going to be not scaffolding. And this way we can just kind of get everything done. Everything goes in, everything comes out. Everything goes on its way. We'll put that there, put that there. Chesty chest. Boom, boom. I need a hopper. I need to make one of those hopper conveyor belts too. I think it's actually just that, isn't it? Yes, it is. I am smart. I was thinking of sorting them all, but I was like, it's kind of a lot more work than necessary to sort just these bits, so I'm not really gonna do it. I was considering it though, because it'll be a lot more fun. I could get into a lot of different parts of this mod, but there isn't really much room. You know, this was supposed to be for multiple different machines, and it's literally for a machine. So that's why it's a good thing we did this. So now we can just send everything over the top. Let's actually fix that over here, because I was missing one earlier. And then, boom, boom. So yeah, this bridge will go across into another machine-related room, into that way. It's going to cut through the wall, though, because I want to have them walled off. I think that'll look nice. And I'm trying to change things up, because like, I don't want to just do, you know, like a big, long hallway out here, you know? Like, I think I might do one more set of rooms down here, and that'll be it. Maybe even end it right here, because I don't know what I'm even going to use this room for. But we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. I'm liking this. If you guys do have any ideas on this, please let me know, because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Aside from this, you know. I gotta go make all those other moldings, so that'll be something I'll have to do in a minute. But I'd say we did good. I'm liking everything today. I'm glad to be back. I'm sorry I was away for a bit, guys. I was sick, so there was no video last Tuesday. Damn it. Last Tuesday. But I'm better now. Not tired, not sick. So, we're good, we're good. We're gonna get everything back up and going. And hopefully keep it steady. But I do hope you guys enjoyed. This is my defense. See you next time. Peace.